Hey guys, it's Brandon, creator of Happily Dressed, a sewing resource dedicated to self-acceptance, self-confidence, and self-sufficiency, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to announce that I have a sewing course out. Back in October of last year, I dedicated 2 weeks to filming a step-by-step beginner's guide to sewing. This includes sewing machine literacy, so everything about the sewing machine, every single part, what it does, how to use it, how to troubleshoot with it. And then I also go over PDF patterns, how to print them out, how to tape them together, how to cut out your correct size, and some tips and tricks with that. And then we put all that knowledge together to sew the Nino Open Jacket by fabricstore.com. This is the perfect beginner project. For this course, I really wanted something that you could actually wear and not just do like a tote bag or a pillowcase. I'm very excited that I was able to film that whole process from start to finish on how to sew that for yourself. So if you're new to this channel or you've been here for a while and you're looking to better understand your sewing machine and how to sew garments for yourself, I highly recommend checking out this course. I've put a lot of heart, intention, and love into this project. It also comes with a class supply list, a key terms cheat sheet, and also resources for continued education. This course has been in the works for a while now, so I'm so happy I get to release it to the world. So to avoid sounding like a broken record, if you want to learn how to sew, please check out this course. If it's for you, check it out. If it's not, that's okay too. But until next time, I will see you all in my next video. See you guys later.